All right, so now once you've kind of mastered your cartwheels in that basic situation, now we're gonna work on control overall. So we have two hands. We're gonna go from two hands to the first hand, to the second hand, to no hands, okay? So this is more advanced and I want you to ease your way into it. But I'm gonna just show you how it goes through because this is more advanced. You're just looking at this. So I'm coming from here, I'm going two hands. Bop, bop. Bop, bop. Now I'm gonna go with the first hand. So I'm bop, 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 bop. Now I'm gonna skip the first hand, go to the second hand. Bop, 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 bop. Now I'm gonna bring my head to my knee, no hands, but I have to really tuck. Okay, so then you have more control. Notice I'm landing on one foot and pivoting. Try to finish it all the way out. I'm just being real fancy because it's for the video, all right? But try to go all the way through. So if I run that whole sequence again, I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's your more advanced practice, work hard, show me it later, all right? Mr. Ron, out.